Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm in Mugutha, Ruiru, where I'll be showcasing this 4-bedroom Prasa DSQ. It is going for just 22 million Kenya shillings, and as you can see, this is the most stunning Maisonette in Ruiru Mugutha at this moment, and I want to take you around. Where I'm standing is the parking area of about 4 cars. Yes, and you can see you have this greenery space where your plants are growing. Yeah, very beautiful. And oh, the plot size is 50 by 100, very huge. As you can see, the plot is very huge, my friends. This is a greenery space where you can have some trees, and you have some that have already grown, but you can add more. And this and this is your sliding gate here, very beautiful. And now on this side you have these stepping stones that are taking you around the house, and this beautiful um, greenery space where your plants will be growing. I love this wall. I love the way it is complementing the facade of the house. It is very elegant, very sleek. This is the most beautiful house. When I say that, I love this house. And this is the entry porch of the home. As you can see, it is very beautiful. I want to take you inside, and let's start the tour. So this is the door. This is the you have entrance porch with these strip lights. As you can see, you have the window. You can use the fingerprint, a card, or a passcode. I want us to enter. Welcome in. This is the living area. It's very massive, very huge. I love the theme of white and this grayish here on the TV area. They have already set up the TV area with the fireplace here, though it is off. And as you can see, the house is very huge. On this side, you have the lighting fixtures here. The interior is so awesome. As you can see, you have the gypsum and the strip right here, and that is it about the living lounge. From there, it is very huge to fit an 8-seater dining set, very massive. You have this window that is it is bringing the natural lighting. You have the chandelier here and a beautiful gypsum. On this side is where your hand wash sink is, and the mirror. You know, they did good there. That they did a good job. From your dining area, you have this breakfast bar. You can set up your stools here and make it look beautiful. You have these lighting features that are enhancing the bar area. You can have your breakfast here. Yeah, that is it about that. On this side, you have this storage for your wine or glasses, and it is so beautiful. I love the strip lights. They are making this place to be more beautiful and classy. This is your side-by-side door fridge. You have that one, and the kitchen comes fitted with a microwave, oven, and as you can see, you have so much cabinets here, up here, and down here. This is your island, good for meal preparation. Well, it is enhancing your kitchen. This is a 5-burner cooker. You have a pot filler and a hood extractor, and the backsplash. It's very sleek and easy to clean. Yeah. From that, you have a double sink here, and as you can see, you have enough working space, plenty of cabinets, and a lighting feature here. The kitchen is so cool. Here is your window for aeration. From there, we are heading to the pantry area. This is a pantry area. From there, we are now going to the back space where we have a DSQ, and this can be your laundry area because the back space is very huge, or you can just decide to have some dog kennels. This is a DSQ, spacious for your stuff. This is your staff washroom and a wardrobe here, all for your boys, you know. Let's head inside and check out the bedrooms. On my right side is where we have the first bedroom. On this corner, we have the strip lights. Welcome. This is the first bedroom of the house. Very spacious toilet with a very huge window. This is your bed space, very massive, and a floor-to-ceiling closet, and a very huge window to make sure your space have a maximum natural lighting. We are now heading to the second bedroom, and before we check it out, you have this space where you can have your console table, yeah, and it will be very beautiful. Down here, this side is where they install the shoe rack here for you. It is so beautiful. And let's check out this bedroom. This is the second bedroom. On this side, we have the washroom. We have the vanity setup and a water closet. Comes with this bidet and a shower head for you, and there's places to hang your towels. And this is the rest of your bedroom. It is very massive. You have the lighting features that are installed, the gypsum, and the closet. It's very huge, yeah. And I think I will open for you to see the size of the closets. This is how they are. They are very huge. Let's head upstairs and check out the other bedroom. This is the stairway. I love this. It is very wide. You have a floor to ceiling window, and as you can see, it is bringing so much natural lighting to you. This stairway, I love it. As you go ahead, you have these strip lights that enhancing your stairway. This landing here on your right, you have this massive family lounge. See, it's very beautiful and has enough natural lighting. I love it. This is the fourth bedroom. You have water closet here and a sink, washing area. To this bedroom, the bedroom are similar. Yeah, you have the vanity, water closet, and the shower head here, and the windows are very huge to ventilate your space. I love the theme. The theme here is white. Yeah, it is making the house so beautiful. This is the bedroom space, very huge, a very beautiful closet, similar. Yeah, we are now going to the master bedroom, where this is the most spacious and the most beautiful bedroom in this house. You know, as the owner of the house, you have to live where you have enough space, where you're feeling comfortable. And come in, I show you. This is the master bathroom. You have this vanity area with this mirror and hand wash sink, and you have storage for your towels. On this side, This is where the jacuzzi will be. You can set up a jacuzzi because it will fit here. On your right, you have this shower head with these two, and from the shower head, you have the water closet. And if you close the door, you see there's so much natural lighting. The window is very huge, and it is letting the place so much lighter. From there, we are now going on this side. On my right, on my left, yeah, on my left, you have a walk-in closet. This is the most beautiful house because it has separate master bedroom, not master bedroom, the closet and the bed space. This is his and has very huge. And this window, it's it's very huge. You can see your home. Yeah, you can just enjoy the view of your home here and the dresser here. Yeah, and on the other side is where your bed space is, very spacious to fit a king size bed, and you still have the space to run around. Yeah, you have the lighting features installed, the strip lights, the gypsum. It looks so awesome. It is very pretty. And this is your sliding window. They are from wall to wall. Yeah, it can be opened. From there, we have this balcony, master balcony. Yeah, you can set up a swinging chair here, yeah, and enjoy the evening breeze or the morning sun, however you want. I love this. It is giving you the privacy. Yeah. From there, we are heading to the rooftop. We have the space for you to just to relax. Yeah. You have this pergola here. Yeah. And you will have a shade here and have a space to relax with your family, and sometimes have a nyama choma here. Where, let me stand here. The sun is so hot, and as you can see, you have so many neighbors, a very beautiful view. Guys, for just 22 million Kenya shillings, you get to own this house. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell. If we get to post, you'll get to be notified. That is it for today. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye.